Here we are going to discuss about information retrieval. When you want to know about what is information retrieval, we have already learned in detail. What is information retrieval? How we are going to retrieve the information from the database. Yes, using a query, we will store a database, we will give the query yes or no. For example, if you want to retrieve who has got above 18 marks, we will write a query. Select star from the table who has scored 18 marks above. So retrieving the data from your database. That is normal retrieval, classical retrieval. Okay. So when you go for information retrieval, you are going to retrieve the data from your search engines. Okay. Few of the search engines we know already. We have been using over there. Can you say some example for the search engines? Yeah, Google, Bing. We have Yahoo also, but Yahoo will be in a short. The processor will be very slow when you go for Yahoo. Okay. So when we go for information retrieval, we are going to retrieve the data from your database where it has been stored in the internet. Okay. All the web pages what we have been seeing about www.worldwideweb. All the web pages what we are retrieving data, searching the data, everything has been taken from your server which has been stored the data. Okay. So here information retrieval is said to be finding out the data what we are searching for. When I say an example, we are searching a data in a Google, same notes. If you want to search about what is information retrieval, you go for a search engine, you will give the word and you will click the search button. Yes or no? What you get over? You get n number of link over there. So how this process has been done, how information has been retrieved is using a classical search method. So what the topic they have been giving in the internet is said to be the user task. Okay, so when you give the word, what happens? It will go to the server and it will search over there. Okay, there when you go for searching, we have studied already hashing, indexing method and all in data structures. Yes or no? We know about hashing also. We have studied indexing also. What is indexing? Can I say an example for indexing method? Take your dictionary. How the dictionary will be framed? By the alphabetic order. A, B, A, C and all. Similar manner when you go for indexing also, it will be at the same process. So what happened? Whatever the word you have been searching in Google will be going on to the database server. Based upon the indexing method, it will fetch the data. Okay, that fetching the data, query, search engine, everything will be there. So in this information retrieval, apart from your retrieving of the data, they are going to give ranking method also. Okay, what is ranking method? If you want to know about it, when you search in the Google server, you will find first link, many links will be displayed. Yes, how the links are displaying is based upon the ranking techniques. So what is ranking technique? If you go is which page has been often seen by the user. Because you are alone is not a user. Worldwide they are using the same technique. Yes or no? So when you go for worldwide, so how many number of people has been used and which data has been there, repeatedly used will be there. Okay. So that will be displayed on the first link. So retrieving of information at the same time they are going to give ranking also. So when you say about information retrieval, your data is going to be fetched from your database server using indexing technique, retrieval process and ranking also. So this is the general thing when you go for your information retrieval. So when you go for storing the data, in the internet, data will be stored in two formats. One is unstructured format, next one is your structured format. What is structured format? Structure, data structures. We have been studying in data structures. What is structured format? How your data is going to be arranged in an order. Yes. For example, your linked list or whatever, maybe you go for a start queue, everything is there. So we are going to contain a volume of structured data and unstructured data. So using this structured and unstructured data only, your information retrieval will be working on. So information retrieval, we know that before internet and all, we never go for this searching. After 2000, only your internet has been launched. After that only your information has been